ये ang next topic achene diangata concept of consumer silte no so tangata market meaning and definition next ngati tene syllabus na yo chana market meaning and definition zerkan ngata topic payote no so market chin ngata so market ngata a place so where buyers and sellers meet to trade. So trade means exchange of goods and services. Exchange of goods and services. Goods and services exchange to just ngata process pasano trade. So market pote place pono karu buyer no seller ngata so thuget kawika kon transaction ji chola so transact po ngata chino goods and services ngata exchange for transaction so the term market came up from Latin word marketus. Market zerka ngata word po ngata tene Latin word so Latin word ngata marketus marketus ये मतलब marketus करने Latin word ची करने brings the no so which means merchandise का meaning बोलो merchandise है no so merchandise ना जो मतलब आते ने goods मतलब for own मतलब consumption न्यू ना ते वो मतलब consumption है no so for consumption कलते से वो resell चोला मतलब न्यू ना ते वो नो merchandise है ngata tene business firm jina kwe tene raw material ngano ya ngata so finished product ngano tebo resell cho jesi bi mana to tebo zeno merchandise ngata stock zameda sumba otebo ngata zeno tebo ngata market e ote market e ngata word po market as kan Latin word kan business kya ka meaning bo merchandise zet kya yang ngata over traffic so over traffic angta zerat kya so or a place where business is conducted so or a place where business is conducted ka jaga je ka business choice so te wangta market zedu so mano Market is considered as a congregation of buyers and sellers to transact a deal. Congregation jina ngata meeting joshi so buyer na sellers meeting ji joshi no kawina ngata tene transact chola ngata deal ji transact chola ngata te congregation chatna te wa ngata market jano so market ngata meaning ngata so mangpo yote no definition mangpo yote no hawa it may also be defined as a social structure that brings together buyers and sellers to determine a price for exchange of goods and services social structure jano lo iboso kavna mata so brings together buyer and sellers which brings together buyer so and seller to determine a price for the exchange of goods and services to determine a price for the exchange of goods and services goods and services ngata exchange chola ngata so tene social structure ji no kawina ngata tene buyer na seller gun ne goods and nyampo hoste so bring together nyampo khong iska jom chukste tene goods and services se price ngata determine chotna fix chotna tewa ngata market zedu lo hawa so market ngata tene approach mangpo teno chi ngata place no karu ngata buyer na seller thu transact chola exchange chola goods and services hawa ya tena solangata social structure ja ino lokka bina ngata tene buyer na seller thooks te goods and services se tene price determine jo ta kwa a market may be physical entity or virtual local or global perfect or imperfect ta market ngata mang po te no ta so chichi ngata so local yote no या ग्लोबल होते नो सो या था सो नेशनल इंटरनेशनल जैसे तो रीजनल मार्केट नेशनल इंटरनेशनल मार्केट या था फिजिकल वर्चुअल दांडे या था फिजिकल नो ऑब्लिक सो वर्सेस वर्चुअल फिजिकल जना था तेने मता मार्केट जैसों ते चला मता रालतास्ते कुछ ना तो फिजिकल मार्केट नो मता तेने दांडे Amazon kanal taano so Flipkart kanal taano te no virtual market tena mata tene physical में te लेकिन मता goods पे so मता photo image तास ते मता ते video तास ते ती purchase जो नो so मती हो मता virtual market no economics से मता perfect ना imperfect market जर कान जे यो नो so perfect versus imperfect market economics संख्या जैसे ते नो so तेना की जाए पता नो तेने परफेक्ट मार्केट काउन इम्परफेक्ट मार्केट काउन मोनोपोली ना मोनोपोलिस्टिक कंपटीशन जने हम लोग ओत समझ जानो हवा in a market a firm and its products are priced and evaluated by the buyers or consumers the primary function of a market is to adjust the price to create balance between demand and supply ता तेने market a primary function bono mata chi chooses price adjust chooses का कने मता तेने demand ना supply balance भी है अब ओतो मता तेने ना आता market is अपना term बनाया तो so primary function of market primary function of market is to adjust price of goods or services so as to create a balance between demand and supply balance between demand and supply demand and supply is क्या आता balance purchase ला so market पहुंचता मा important है नो market है last पकड़ते ना नो demand and supply ना balance purchase so मखालते ज़ाता so तेना है नो आता price ज़ाता fixation चुकान बते अकेंगन में ना ज़रते नो so तेने ज़ाता graph चीज़ों ते का ना demand ना जो supply इसका जो युद्ध क्या का intersect छत का क्या मतलब ते graph इसका थू so ते वो मतलब जानो market price जानो so तेरे तेना price है around बाकी price हम मतलब डूला नो so मान लो मतलब तेने ताज़ा मतलब तेने market नहीं है so तेने bread नहीं है price तेतना कारों साल तेतना so लेकिन कोई demand and supply भी मतलब इस जो ते pricing मान लो 32 rupees होता so तो जहाँ खचिया 30 अंक थोपत क्या जहाँ खचिया 31 ला थोपत क्या जहाँ खचिया 32 33 34 35 सो बते ना 32 अराउंड सो 32 संसाइक मारी क्या साइक न्यू आरी का मता दुआत क्या करूँ से सो आजू नालता ना आता मार्केट ना या हटी नालता ना सो ओ त्यो मता तेने प्राइस ना ता डिटरमिन चोस्ते नो फोर्सेस ऑफ डिमांड एंड सप्लाई इसके हवा डिमांड ना सप्लाई फोर्सेस पे ना ता प्राइस डिटरमिन चोस्ते नो सो तेने ओ ते प्राइस पाऊँ मता इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस आ जाए नो सो मार्केट प्राइस है इक्विलिब्रियम प्राइस का विका मता बाकी प्राइस सो मतलब कि तेना प्राइस है अराउंड मता मार्केट का मार्केट ला जाना ते प्रोडक्ट या सर्विस प्राइस को तेना अराउंड जियालुस दे क्या हवा त्यो ना डिमांड एंड सप्लाई फोर्स से जाते हैं ता लूस देनो सो या नेक्स्ट मता तेने types of mata so ta market mata zerna so types of market. Then various types of the market you then so on the basis of time the short term market no long term market. So number one on the basis of time. Then a short term market no detail silicos में क्या से short term bochino long term bochino. So short term market no long term market जिसका कहते time basis का market po distinction differentiate चुंगते हैं so short term market po का these are the markets of highly perishable goods. The time period for selling the goods is very short. Perishable goods so perishable ना क्या होता है रूलात में द fruits vegetable होता है perishable goods होता market लगता चीज़ short term market चीज़ ना तेरे short period कोई goods होता है use मचुना तो होता जो मिडो जैसे सोंते so second होता है long term market these are markets of durable goods. And these goods may be produced or manufactured and time period for selling is long. So durable goods का goods होता है तेने मापा बोरना चांचा चीज़ में तो तेने spare parts so गाड़ी तेना चुला था कोल्ला so यहाँ किचन सामान so थली कोरे ते समाची durable goods का sell के time बो मापो योत ना दिखते मना you so on the basis of time on the basis of area so local market national market international market yes second on the basis of area so ina tene local market so being the national market seeing the international market global market also so भैया basis चीज़ distinction जो जैसे on the basis of area basis का local area ना market person local markets confined to a locality and mostly deal with perishable and semi perishable goods local area ना so confined छकने market पर local market का छाओ perishable goods ना semi perishable goods से market मोहल्ला उन्हें सब्जी मंडी से जो भी ना होते समय local markets so yeah तेरे so local या regional से ना चीज़ें ना मिस का so regional markets cover a wider area, for example district, and deal in both consumer and industrial goods so products tene you area specify chona teo within a district singata tene market pa regional and local markets denang distemo so kavena tene consumer goods da singata perishable bono semi perishable या industrial goods sell chono so tevina trade channel second national markets cover national boundaries national boundary market national market India boundary border samshi market national markets such markets deal in durable and non-durable consumer goods, industrial goods and agricultural products. Then durable goods trade channel, non-durable goods trade channel, industrial agricultural products trade channel. Third one the international market. World or international market cover entire globe. the world gang po globe gang po na market samala international market zelong ta movement of goods takes place throughout the world. Latest technologies, consumer goods as well as industrial goods are dealt. Tene you nangata so throughout the world ngata tene goods se movement bo chachil ngata malno so jalak chi ngata US ning do jalak chi China ning do yang jalak chi ngati tene so Canada kala do ngata Japan la kala do so you ngata international market zerchen ka bina ngata industrial goods consumer na latest technology samata tene trade chama hoba on the basis of nature of goods ngata so commodity market na capital market so yang ngata chichi third no so on the basis of nature of goods ngata goods in nature so basis ngata tene ngata differentiate chodna commodity goods commodity market so now second bono the capital market so main iska chin ho na commodity market bono the market includes consumer industrial and bullion market so consumer market na industrial market na bullion kada gold silver रखते समय bullion जानो ताते market पाता जानो commodity market है these markets deal in commodities for example materials produce manufacture goods so material na manufactured goods ngata na produce the agriculture produce kuna ngata ina yono commodity market na capital market na chi ono it is a market for finance and includes money market and securities market then a capital market ngata pata no so fifth seminar silte no ta kawna ngata tene finance na ngata tene investment school la yotte no te ngata product kundil chetna te ngata capital market zeno kana ta primary market ngata secondary market so securities market anze no money market anze to yo money market deals in lending and borrowing of money while securities market deals in shares debentures you ngata money market deals in lending and borrowing of money na tena chikpo man ina ngata short term ngata financial securities kun deal chasawa money market zeno then a long term financial securities deal chena ngata shares stock debentures there was capital market awa so securities market capital market next on the basis of nature of competition number 4 तो कहता on the basis of nature of competition basis कहाँ था so ते होता economics and perfect competition so perfect competitive market so markets now so second बोता तेने imperfect market third बोता monopoly so market so perfect competition ngata market ina chi utkyase na tene free entry and exit utkyase pata so mispa ngata utkyarina perfect competition the competition utkyase then also ngata so large number of buyers and sellers utkyak te vijeste ngata competition bo thik thak lusano so ma price mo ngata tena demand and supply ngata force se determine jono te ngata perfect competition jano so perfect market products are homogeneous product kun ngata sokh utkyak almost same मान लो ngata tene toothpaste ngata Pepsodent utkya Colgate utkya ngata Sensodyne utkya yang ta mina brand ut kya lekin te thangmala chi jano homogeneous product jano so ata tene chilo dabare ut kya yang ta patanjali ut kya so tena so ta buyers so there is perfect knowledge to buyers and sellers gula perfect knowledge ut kya ka product score la ta so tene te price po kazam shi lose go sensor kan bo ta ya te product po kazu use cho sensor kan bo knowledge gala kya tena so la free entry and exit ut kya nge ala zet teno I chawa ta perfect competition ya perfect market I features no ge imperfect market na ata chi ut kya you opposite ut kya so it has large number of buyers and sellers with wide variety of products buyers and sellers large ut kya lekin products na wide variety ut kya ta homogeneous met kya zate matlab ki so there is no perfect knowledge of product knowledge met kya buyer and seller gula products are similar but not identical product kun sok zut kya but identical met kya zate no tena zate homogeneous met kya there are barriers in the entry and exit entry या exit market ना entry choices exit choices ना barriers ut kya matlab ki lamu na po nya na met kya yo ta entry choices po hawa third hunta no monopoly jana ta single seller chik mane met na tene te ho ta monopoly jana the market has a single seller and large number of buyers there is no perfect knowledge to buyers about price there are restrictions on entry and exit hawa entry of new firms so iungata monopoly ata tene izukuno so features no yang ata tene finance na yang differentiation jikna ta yot kya so markets on the basis of transactions so markets on the basis of transaction se basis se kata market nizut kya spot market na future market kanji so spot market ka on the spot ngata tene delivery na payment jo so jalak chinga ti tene transaction bo jo no nge purchase choose kya kya ji sell choose kya seller ji so tene te ka nge payment tene ka choose kya on the spot so delivery nge chalak ponen kya on the spot you so the spot market future market na ata chut kya transactions are made but delivery and payment are promised at a future date transaction bo ta dasa chono lekin ngata delivery na payment bo future date chi ka promise chono so ba yu ngata ina zo ngata chala na ma po met do lekin ngata I financial security sina ngata future transaction ma po chano ngata so he forward trade future trades der kan dikata yon chen so kye nani tena silte yot na yot so yeah next point on the basis of volume of business se volume bahata te basis se ka ta yang ata differentiate chot na wholesale market na or retail market so yeah you to ke pata no tene wholesale market se na ka na ta bulk na ta tene so volume ka mata product ya pota so mancha product na ta tene delivery chot na so tyo ta wholesale market jano so tena ngata manlo product pe ngata so unit re ngata tene sell cha mon hoina ta whole ngata tene so packet chen me ya ngata bulk ngata packet chi ngata sell chu na tyo ngata wholesale je du je da sa wholesaler ka ngata ngyo je na juice ngata peti mane juice chi to na wholesaler ngata sell cha mon hoina te so market wholesale market ka na bulk volume na ngata sell chu da ba wholesalers sell products and services to retailers wholesaler among chow retailer sell chono so retail markets na ka ngata unit so re na re sell chu na te ngata retail markets na so small quantities are bought and sold in the market. They sell products and services to consumers. So wholesaler ngata retailer sell cho retailer ngata so sell cho no na consumers the sell cho no so yeah yang ta type ma mang po bing chen man lo ta yang chi chi on the basis of a regulation. Rules and regulations da yo mira tebe ya basis ka da so market na ta tene rucho na chik chi ga ta regulated market so chik chi ga ta unregulated market. Regulated market ko ngata tene logic ngata yo to so tyo ya ngata rules regulation chi no te basis ka ngata sell purchase pochet na tyo ngata regulated market ino so unregulated market ko जैसे black marketing जर करते हो ngata unregulated का होता rules से against ngata sell chano so ये deal chano purchase sell होगा. Business tax for regulated market and the business tax place as per the guidelines and rules prescribed related to quality, quantity and price. Quality, quantity and price से so फियांगता तेने guidelines जुट क्या rules जुट क्या ते संगा prescribed जुट क्या ते नांजिन rule ना ते regulated market no. These markets generally exist for agricultural products and sale of securities. Manchata so agricultural product no consumer product no sale of securities phiangata regulated market hote no yang tyo men pangada unregulated market ang mang pote no. It is a free market where sale and purchase takes place without any rules and regulations. Sometimes rules are designed but they are flexible enough to be changed as per the requirements of the parties. तेरे रूल जो ना ते वो वादा parties है ना seller ना buyer गुने रारा requirement है सब change जो ना तेरे ते वो वादा चीनो unregulated market no so यहाँ हम को वादा so इनो तेना इजुक तो करता so distinctions तो करता so जैसे वादा जैसे नता कंज्यूमर मार्केट्स ना कावना कंज्यूमर गुड्स नता डील छते वो कंज्यूमर मार्केट्स है सो कंज्यूमर ड्यूरेबल एंड नॉन ड्यूरेबल गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज सो डील छत का ना नता फूड रिटेल मार्केट नो फिश मार्केट ग्रोसरी मार्केट फार्मर मार्केट शू मार्केट सुपर मार्केट सो डिस्काउंट स्टोर टेम्परेरी मार्केट मंडी फेयर्स ये सब मतलब कंज्यूमर मार्केट्स है सो तेने कावना ड्यूरेबल नॉन ड्यूरेबल इसका क्या ड्यूरेबल जना का को ता लॉन्ग टर्म इफिया ता सो लूसात मता सेले जुपो टाइम बो लॉन्ग टाइम जियो सो का मता शॉर्ट टर्म जिना सेल चो सकते हो ता नॉन ड्यूरेबल सो ये पेरिशेबल आयो नोते ना ता सो तेने ता business market करना different types of business मता so deal जो so business ना जैसे आता wholesale market इनो मता करना wholesaler ने आता so sell जो नो bulk volume ना labor markets करना मता labor मता top चीज़ नो so ad hoc auction market मता auction sell दिख मता तास्ता मिलो जुंगले ते मता ad hoc जना का permanent men का जुंग जी मता temporary basis का so fairs ngata chono hore ata so tevina ata exhibition chono te samata ad hoc auction market so ya temporary markets ngata jaise fairs te sama so industrial markets ngata so intermediate goods no raw material lipya ata tene market jo na tewa industrial markets ja intermediate goods na kao yang ata so further ngata tene final product ngata manufacture जो अलग था ऐसे raw material use जो होते हुआ intermediate goods ano so tenata government markets conduct so ka government agencies bunata tene goods and services ngata exchange chote government markets ano so te ngata yang different ngata tene zup yote no ya distinction mang po yote no ta he te samanta pura singo sata chang lete no tene market equilibrium bo tak nge laps tene tena ngata demand na supply iske ngata forces po so danda chan ya ngata curve chi chot na demand curve na supply curve iska ngata curve ka intersect cha te point ba ngata equilibrium point zero to price po equilibrium price ang zero to he त्यो समस्या जहाँ चोको संता युना जहाँ सुक्षी बिरुप सो या नेक्स्ट न तातने यहाँ टॉपिक चिका तोरे चंते सकपा क्यों यूज़ उप जोसे त्या मैं पता मजा नंगा यहाँ टीसे